Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen.
Hi viewers, let's prepare tasty tomato bath. Ingredients: some curry leaves, green chilies, onions, tomatoes, half lime, some mint leaves, green peas, half capsicum roughly chopped. Oil as required. 1 cup basmati rice, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, salt to taste, some whole spices, ginger garlic paste. Switch on the stove. Now you can add some oil. Let the oil get heated up. Adding some bay leaf, cinnamon bark, flower anise, some cloves and fennel seeds. Adding green chilies, then onions. I have chopped them finely so that it gets sauteed soon. Saute until it gets golden brown, so that gives a good flavor to the rice. Now the oil has separated from onions. Now you can add ginger garlic paste, roughly about 2 tablespoons, and saute well until the oil separates. Add capsicum, and this is absolutely of your choice. This is an optional vegetable. And saute. Now you can add tomatoes. I have chose ripe juicy tomatoes. Add them all. Adding turmeric powder, salt to taste, red chili powder, garam masala, and mix them well. Now you can saute well until it gets mixed well and the oil separates. Now you can add some green peas and some mint leaves, some lime juice. I have added a half lime. It's absolutely your choice as how much to add a lime juice. I am adding a half lime because it gives a tangy flavor, and mix them well. Once the oil separates, add water to the masala. For 1 cup of rice, I have taken 2 cups of water. That is 1:2 proportion. After the water starts boiling, now you can add the washed basmati rice into the frying pan. And gently mix it without breaking the rice. Cook the contents in a high flame until the rice is partially cooked, and you can see the consistency. And now you can put the flame to sim. Now you can cover the frying pan with a suitable lid and place something heavy on the lid so that the vapor doesn't escape. Now after 10 minutes, let's remove the lid. Smelling nice aroma of tomato bath. Now let's check how it is cooked. The rice has cooked evenly and it has not charred at the bottom. Now let's check the rice. Yeah, it has cooked well. And now tasty tomato bath is ready. And if you like the video, like, share and subscribe.